We are in London. London, this is our hotel. This is our area. This is our hotel. It's crispy, cold. First thing first, Costa coffee, must have. It's Happy New Year vibes. Here in London. Sunny day. Sunny day. First coffee, then Harrods. Sunny London. Absolutely nice, gorgeous day. Last day of 2025. And we are ready for 2026. I celebrate the new year here. Coffee and now Harrods outfit. I'm gonna show you later. I love London. Always good to be back. It's quite chilly breeze. Crispy winter day. Hi everyone. I am in London. Last day of 2025. Here I am. Welcome back. London after Dubai. Here we are. Cruising around. How nice. So many people. Holidays. Here. And then we are heading to Harrods. Warm. This is mine. This is mine for winter, ready for winter wonderland. We are not going to winter wonderland, I think, because someone doesn't want to go there. How nice, so nice. Always good to be back. The times when it was my home. Okay, we go. Stroll around, it's good. See? So many people though. The tourist sneak peek. It's sunny but it's cold. Need to wear these. Okay. It is Park, then Harrods. We are in Green Park. Buckingham was there, so many people. Green Park. We need to go to Hyde Park, to Winter Wonderland. Brings a good luck. Go through here. Then we're gonna see the Winter Wonderland, where we are not going. And then finally Knightsbridge, Harrods. Sun is going down already. Back to Knightsbridge. Love the streets. Oh my god, it's so lovely here. Just never enough of London. See? Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think?
Yes, nice.
Yeah, love it. Okay, we are off to Harrods. Finally, back here. Oh my god, the Harrods is packed. Literally, food hall, chocolate hall, Everyone is so busy. It's insane. You see? Insane. So we are currently in Harrods in the food hall, and look at what they have here. Like literally everything they have is super food, super healthy. That's why we love Harrods so much. And I get some C vitamins, like just to get this C vitamin shot and you're good to go. Okay, it doesn't focus, but insane. Insane. That's why I always love Harrods. New York cheesecakes, all fresh. And obviously it's the last day of this year and it's so packed. Okay. Now we are looking for champagne bar. Watches, let's check here. We need this is Cartier. We need a new one. Oh, this is the Panther. Love this one. Okay, they have bags as well now. Okay, nice. Very nice. We need to clean this one. We need to polish. Super nice. Super nice Harrods. Okay, we go here. I always come here. Love it. Love, love, love.
This is Nico. Started.
So we are here, champagne bar, waiting for our cocktails. And I enjoy this last day. The champagne, obviously. You see? That's what we gonna do. So we're gonna have some pint. So nice. You love your cocktail?
18 months old.
You're gonna go with this one. That's lovely. So nice. This one is absolutely insane. I think it's so nice. This meat, how old it was? 18 months.
18 months, yeah.
Yeah, okay. I'll try this one. Looks so yummy. Cheers to this steak. It's a champagne cocktail. Cheers. Doesn't focus my camera. Okay, a little bit. Little bit. I need to drink. I need to drink. Love this one. Always come here. So here we are in Harrods. Very difficult to film because it's not allowed. So, but yeah, now we're off for food. This is me right now here. So you can't film like when you go to the stores. It's not allowed. Now we are off to food and has champagne bar. We very champagne bar. Got some cocktail. One. We don't drink a lot. We don't drink a lot. Like rich Harrods, London. So we're gonna celebrate New Year here. That was the full point to come here, right? Tonight is the night. You have tickets to watch the most incredible firework in the world. Oh, for food. Love London. Love, love, love. Are you ready for tonight?
Yes, baby.
We have the tickets for the most best fireworks. We're gonna have a food there, like I always went there. Let's go. We go there. But yeah, that's why we came. That was the champagne bar. We came to London to watch the fireworks and celebrate. It's so cold now. But look, there the Prada cafe is there. But yeah, we go there. That's one of my favorite places to have food. So, yes guys, you can't film a lot at Harrods. I go for a food here. At Harry's. Harry's. Okay, let's see. We are eating at Harry's. That's insane.
I want something else.
Bon appetit.
Give me ginger with something.
Bon appetit. Wow, this is chicken with truffle sauce and smash. Wow, we love Harry's. Bon appetit to us. So this was the last day here. Harrods is so nice. You see? You see. Last day of 2025. Now back to hotel, and in the evening we're gonna enjoy the fireworks. So yes, we came here actually to just watch the fireworks. That was main purpose of this trip. Yeah, look. Now back. We have tickets for this zone. First time going there watching the fireworks. Nice, no?
Really nice.
So nice. You see? Super. So cold. So yeah, can't wait for the evening, the fireworks. We are going there. We have tickets and everything. But we need really warm wrap up. I mean, because look, it's gonna be -degrees. Yeah, -degrees. Quite cold, and it's outside. This show gonna last like 10 minutes, 10 till 12. We are back in our hotel, waiting for tonight to go to check the fireworks. But look. Okay, went to Harrods has some champagne for you because we are not drinkers, but something. We are not drinkers anymore. That's quite lovely. And then we got this from Harrods. Some C vitamin and electrolytes. Okay, cool. No magnesium. Gonna try this now. And this, obviously. Lovely. Okay. Little chill and then fireworks. What else we got? Honeycomb. Ooh, lovely. Water. And I got this for home. This one. This. And here's more. Collagen. Are you fixing the toilet? Collagen. More. And then what else? Yes. And then this one's for home. Lovely. Okay. Let's chill and then I'm gonna show you fireworks. So cold here, -degrees. We changed our room. We have to change the room. It was needed because the toilet didn't work. But we get a better view. Look, this is the view to the street. There's some music coming already. So many people out there. Not so many though. But the street is shut. See? Yeah. Street is shut. And we are going out. 9:30 we have dinner. Can't see really good, but you can't walk, you can't drive anymore the street. So yeah, shut for the fireworks. Nice room with kitchen area. Quite nice. Okay, chill and then off to the dinner. So now the new year celebration starts. It's 11 p.m. Go to hotel, we're gonna change and then come back. It's so freezing cold. It's like minus degrees. It's so cold. I'm not kidding. It's so cold. And my hand is shaking because I can't hold. I don't have bare hands. It's so cold. We just had a food. Now we are in the blue area. There's a blue area. We have tickets. But look at these people. That's crazy. That's crazy. Really, really crazy. Okay. We have this blue area. It's crazy. So now we're going to the hotel. Gonna change. Then we're going back to the fireworks. And so cold. Look at the people. It's insane.
So that way.
So cold.
Middle lane, right there. Middle lane down.
Middle lane. So you can't even walk here. The crowds. Insane. You need to go fast change and go there. First time when I watch this fireworks in London, like with the tickets. But yeah.
Yeah, definitely go on. You know what? But don't feel
Okay, I'm gonna show you later. So we're out now, fully wrapped up. Go and watch that. To go and watch the fireworks, we have blue area tickets. Super cold. You hear the music? Okay. Okay. We are heading to zone 2.
Zone 1.
Zone 1. You're in the wrong zone. Why not? Zone 1, yeah? So we have tickets, but zone 1. Quite fun though. What? No, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine? Yep. I think you fall down. Look at these people. Now back to hotel. It's a lot of people. Still walking, you see? Still going. 2026. London Eye. Walking around here. This is small park here. We are going to city tour. Nice. Crispy weather. It's raining, I think. Hop on, hop off. Let's see. Let's go. This is Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. 2026. London still have Christmas lights, so it's cold and very difficult to film. Like it's so cold. Yeah. Here we are. Tomorrow we go to musical. Today we had a city tour, so I'm gonna show you later. Casino. Cool place, cool place. Okay guys, too cold, so many people, packed, absolutely packed. Where are we going? Huh?
Shop.
Where are we going? We go to M&S. We get some water, and then yeah, nice day indeed. You like London? Do you like London?
Yes.
Yes,
Very nice.
he loves it. We love it. Yeah. Fireworks yesterday, chill today. Enjoy the city. So many people though. Okay, so we are here going to watch the Michael Jackson. It's nice outside, you see. Okay, gonna be nice. Fast this one. Michael Jackson. It's so nice weather today and so many people. I'm not gonna show you. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Here we are in the park, ready for musical. This is the Michael Jackson one. Yeah, very good seats though. Very in the front.
NM.
They're here. Michael Jackson, third time I'm going. Third time. Third time. Here we go. Very warm. We are really ready for show. We have popcorn, crisps, salt and vinegar. This is typical British salt and vinegar. Yorkshire. Oh, that looks very nice though. This package is cool, no?
It's exclusive.
Very exclusive. Exclusive stuff, especially Costa. You're gonna drink this Costa, no? We have 10 minutes, then we are off there. And then quite many people. Surprise. Okay, let's see. We are ready. Michael Jackson was absolutely insane, so good. There's no light, but yeah, it was here. Gorgeous. Now we are going for food. Feels like 9 o'clock in the evening. Still Christmas lights on. So many people though, and my hands are freezing. Freezing. Yeah, this street. Wow. So nice. So nice. All this. London Eye at night, and here actually was our area to watch the fireworks. Beautiful, no? Like here, this is all the fireworks area to watch the fireworks. Blue zone. What number 1? Blue zone number 1 was here to watch the fireworks, but it's so beautiful at night. See? London Eye. London Eye by night. When I leave London today, Last day. Last day. This new year is spent well. Best new year I ever had, to be honest. And crispy London. Gonna leave soon. Gonna have some city walks now, and then we are off.
Okay, thank you. There's two.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
This is our hotel though. Wow, everywhere. So I can't even stop for a while because everyone is just. Anyways, today is Saturday, and we have evening flight. Okay, this is our hotel. Citadel. I don't know how to pronounce it, but very good location near London Eye. So our last day we came to Westminster Abbey. Check this. How beautiful it's here. Look at that. How nice. But yeah, Westminster Abbey. I check now. This one. Love this area. Beautiful. This is Westminster Abbey. Actually, I've never been there. Okay. This one I had never been in London. First time. See? Like, if you look this is all about London. Look at this. All these streets or all these buildings are full of history. How nice. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. This London vlog from central London. Saturday, sunny day. We're off to the airport soon. New Year's. Celebrations was amazing. You see the London Eye is there. Oh, the sun is so warm. Anyway, using the scarf to protect from the wind. Multifunctional. Anyways, what is this building? I don't know. I'm gonna ask for GPT. But yeah, I'm from London. Adios amigos.